designed to connect two channel sections with plate. The condition while placing the C-section column is that handling point should be at middle of the column. To start this plugin, go to Option of Applications Components, in which we can find the Stridely component. After clicking on icon of component, first we need to select primary column, then select point at required edge of primary column. And after select secondary column, the two column gets connected with the range of batten plate. To modify the connection, as per our required standards, double-click on plates so that dialog box will open. Here we can see the steps to be followed while placing the components as first, second, and third. We can change the thickness by adding required value. For example, I am adding 0.1/2 value modify it. So the thickness of plate gets changed. We can change the number of plates as per requirement with this option. I put the 3 number values here and modify it so it changes accordingly. Change the distance between plate, we can add required value here and modify it. I put the 2 feet value in this box and plate distance gets changed accordingly. Suppose the distance from bottom is different, so we can add value with spacing in between. For example, I am putting 0 feet, 1 feet value here, so distance from point which we have selected on primary column gets 0. In remaining spacing between plates, get 1 feet, change the width. Use this box to add value. Here I have changed the value to 2 feet. Offset tab. We can change orientation, direction, edge, side offset of the plates. To change the orientation of plates, there is drop down in which several conditions are there. We can select orientations of flat plate accordingly. Here I have selected plate for both the side. Plate direction option is used to give direction of placement of plate from the point which we have selected on primary column. Click on the drop-down and choose the direction of placement as required. Provide the edge side offset to the plate from column, add value here, and modify it. You can see here 1 inch distance from edge of column. For applying different materials, click on these 3 dotted icons, so we will get list of materials in this. Select required material and modify it. We can cross-check the applied properties in property window by selecting . This way, Stridely Batten Plate Plugin has worked.